Good morning, students. Today we will learn about types of optical fibers. As we studied earlier, optical fiber consists of main three regions. First is core, having refractive index N1, and second region is cladding, which surround the core, having refractive index N2. The refractive index of core is greater than refractive index of the cladding, and these two regions, they are protected by a third region which surround these two regions, known as sheath. So depending upon the refractive index, the optical fiber is mainly of two types. One, step index optical fiber, and second is graded index optical fiber. So now first we discuss the step index optical fiber. As the name indicate, step index. All of you very familiar with the steps. हर रोज हम सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ते हैं, तो जब भी हम सीढ़ी चढ़ते हैं तो सबसे पहले एक फ्लैट रीजन आता है. जहाँ पे फ्लैट खत्म होगा वहाँ पे एकदम राइज आता है, फिर दोबारा सेकंड फ्लैट हो जाता है. तो उसी तरह इफ रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ द रीजन वेरी, के मीन in a one region refractive index remain uniform, and at a interface or a boundary all of sudden it increases or decreases and then again become uniform, then we get a step like arrangement like that of stair. Here we have a cross-sectional view of the optical fiber, in which central region is core, having refractive index larger N1, then second region is cladding, having refractive index N2, that is less as comparison with the core. Then there is a buffer. Buffer is a region which hold these two together or the strand together, and third is sheath, which protect these two regions, and that is the formation of the step by the refractive index. Here you have to see that is the axis, this line, this arrow, that is the axis of the core region, and this is the step which is formed by the refractive index of the region. The core region having refractive index N1, so this line you have to see, straight line, that is formed, that is axis at the center, both sides of the axis that uniformly vary at same height, and then at a boundary when we reached at cladding, all of a sudden that N1 decreases. This is a decrease, all of a sudden decrease, and then again it become uniform in the left hand side and in the right hand side of that axis, both sides of the core, that is here in the diagram. If this is a core center, then up to here that is core, up to here that is core. In this side of this core, that refractive index remains same. Right hand side refractive index remains same. There is a formation of now a flat region again. Then if you go to outer, that is sheath, there is again decrease in the refractive index, and then it again become flat. So now if you see the diagram, this is looks like a step, staircase, जो आप प्रतिदिन, मैंने पहले भी आपको बताया सीढ़ियों की तरह, कि ये पहला स्टेप हो गया, ये देखिए, उसके बाद यहाँ पहुंच गए, फिर ये दोबारा एक स्टेप बन गया, and then we reach to a core. So that's why, due to this variation in the refractive index, this is known as a step index optical fiber. Now you have to remember that in step index optical fiber, the refractive index of core that remain uniform within the core region and having maximum value in the core, and then decreases at the interface all of a sudden, and then again become uniform in the clad, remain uniform there, and at the boundary there is again decrease and then again become uniform. So now this is the step index optical fiber. Depending on the mode mean कि when light is launched in the core region, then how it propagated and transmitted along the other end. So depending on that mode, there are two type of step index optical fibers. First is single mode step index optical fiber. So now single mode step index optical fiber, that is a fiber having diameter is very small, only that is 5 to 10 micrometer, and within that diameter only one mode of propagation is possible. It is very costly and only used for short distance transmission of signals, and it always requires laser light by which signals are launched at the core region, because core is very small, and in that small region if we want to launch the signal and after launching they transmit to the other end, it always requires laser light, because laser is highly monochromatic in nature, give you a fine beam. So that is the symmetry, that is the cross sectional view, the core that is having the diameter 5 to 10 micrometer, that is the step index. And second is multimode step index optical fiber. The multimode step index optical fiber, that is a fiber having core diameter is large in comparison to the step index. Single mode optical fiber, in which we already discussed the core region is having diameter only 5 to 10 micrometer, but here the range is larger, that is 125 to 200 micrometer. The core in comparison to the single mode, here you have to see in the diagram, that is larger up to 200 micrometer. This core region is wider, here you see in the single very small, but here is larger. So instead of diode, instead of laser, we use here diode, LED, to launch the light within the core region. That is, if we use the LED, then that core region easily accepts light from outside, and multiple rays, they are accepted by the core region, and they suffer multiple reflection from different boundaries and reach at a second end. One drawback of that optical fiber is that here you have to see the number of rays which are accepted by the core region, but when these rays they reached here at the second end, the time taken by these rays, that is different. So there is a little bit dispersion appear in the output, but in the single mode no dispersion, because single mode is possible, only one ray is transmitted, and that is only along the axis. That is, it only accepts the light along the axis, but it accepts the light from all the directions, and these light waves they suffer total internal reflection and then reached at the second end. Come to the second type, depending on the index, that is graded index optical fiber, as we already discussed, that is step index. Step index means that like of first tier. Here that is instead of step, graded. Mean the refractive index of core, which is uniform in case of step, that is variable here. it has a maximum value at the center. Here you have to see the diagram. The refractive index of the core is maximum at the axis, this arrow that shows axis. So now the refractive index N1 having maximum value at the center, and when we goes toward the interface, toward the cladding, its value decreases. That is, continuously decreases, and when we reach at the boundary, then the value that again become uniform, and within the clad that remain uniform, and after that there is a step variation, and then in the sheath again. So when we compare this with the single mode, optical fiber, then we see that is there is a formation of the step. You have to see here, there is a formation of a step, that is refractive index N1 remain uniform there, but here in the graded index, that is maximum at the center and then decreases both sides. You studied this shape. This is a parabola. So we simply says that refractive index of graded index optical fiber, that is in parabolic shape, mean if we go from center to toward the cladding, then it decreases, and if we goes toward the center, its value increases, become maximum at the center. So what is the purpose behind this parabolic shape? Because this parabolic shape of the refractive index that provide a large number of boundaries within the core region. In the step index only we have a one boundary at the interface, but here that gradually increases or decreases, so large number of boundaries are there, and this accept multi-modes. You have to see the diagram, that is the axis, and it accept large number of modes, and then reach. The one advantage of that fiber is the time taken by all the rays which are traveled through that core region, they reach at the same time. Due to that, it is most widely used optical fiber in the communication purpose. Now we come to the difference between these three types of optical fiber. One, we have a single mode, then we have a multi-mode, then we have a multi-mode. In single mode only one ray is possible. In the multi-mode there are so many rays accepted by the core, but boundary is one, and in the multi-mode there are large number of boundaries, the time taken that is the same. Now we come to the comparison between these three. So one is in the step index, that is variation of refractive index like step, here gradually. Types, here two type, graded index is only one type. Index profile, that is step and that is parabolic. Then light ray propagation, in this zigzag, in this helical. Signal distortion, that is very low in case of a graded, and in case of a single mode there is no distortion. Bandwidth, lower bandwidth, but here is a higher bandwidth. Application, that is used for short distance, used for longer distance. Cost, that is step index is less costly as compared to the graded index. Numerical aperture of step is less, but in comparison to that graded is larger. So that is the comparison between these two type of fiber, and that is our today's lecture. Thank you. 15 मिनट का बना पूरे